Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 36 divided by 3 divided by 2 times 2 plus 1. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here first we do these parentheses, 2 plus 1 equals 3. So our expression equals 36 divided by 3 divided by 2 times 3. Now we have 2 divisions and 1 multiplication. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division, then this division, and finally this multiplication. 36 divided by 3 gives us 12. So we have 12 divided by 2, then times 3. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So 6 times 3, which equals 18. So our final answer to this problem is just 18.